Ill-mannered. A person who does not show good behavior. The ill-mannered man shouted at the waiter. The ill-mannered child did not listen to his parents. Short-sighted. A person who cannot see things clearly that are far away. I am short-sighted, so I wear glasses. If you are short-sighted, driving at night is hard. Nerve-wracking. Something that makes you feel nervous. His job interview was nerve-wracking. Speaking in front of a crowd is nerve-wracking. Poorly paid. A job that does not give much money. She has a poorly paid job at the store. She enjoys her job, but it is poorly paid. Good-looking. Someone or something beautiful or handsome. He is a good-looking man. That actor is so good-looking. Eye-catching. Something that looks beautiful or interesting. Her red dress is very eye-catching. The new car has an eye-catching design. Top secret. Very private or only known to a few people. Don't tell anyone. It's top secret. She told me a top secret story. Slow-moving. Not fast or taking a long time to move or change. The turtle is a slow-moving animal. The old man is slow-moving. White collar. A person who works in an office, not in a factory or with their hands. A doctor is a white-collar professional. My father is a white-collar employee in a bank.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!